Welcome back to another day of Life Care. So today we about to get ready to pressure wash this thing. So go ahead and pressure wash it. Get all this dirt and stuff off of it. And let all these up. I did these, I think. But yeah, wash all that out. And wash the whole thing down real good. And then it shouldn't take long, because I mean, you can see it does have dirt on it. All that dirt. So gonna give it a bath. It's first bath of the year. And then to the outside done. Besides the gutters where the deck go be in the deck, which got the order in for that stuff to come. So let's get this pressure washer hooked up and get the washing. Man, he's short. So let the seat back. Alright, let's see here. Oh, he ain't got no battery voltage. Shit. Man, let's see. Yeah, he ain't got no battery voltage. It's gonna be hard to tell. I need him to hold it. Hey, hold it at about 3,000. Yeah, your RPM, just hold it. You gotta charge it if it's. You gotta hold the RPM at like 3,000. You got to charge the song. So what you gotta do is hold your gas to the RPM 3,000. Just hold it right there at 3,000 so it can charge this. You know what I'm saying? No. I'll show you. Let's see. Hey, don't try to crank it yet though. No, it got to charge up. Let's see right here. Let's see here. Let's see if we can charge it. Hey, he ain't got no gas. So you gotta hold it so you can charge the battery up some, and hopefully if it turn over a little bit, because it's just clicking, so if it start to turn over a little bit, then you'll know. I gotta give it a minute or two though. If not, they gotta get a battery charger or go get another battery, or take the battery out of this car, put it in that one, crank it, then hook the battery. It should stay running. So Nothing?
No.
Nothing? Click?
No, vamos a entrar aquí.
Only thing I can tell you is take that battery out, put it in here, crank it up, and then take that, then put that battery back in there, put this one in here, and then leave it running and let it try to charge it.
No le digan ni que lo desarme nada. No. Thank you, amigo.
All right.
Thank you, no le dio nada.
So we tried, and the thing is, I think I had y'all on time lapse for the first part of this. So, but we'll go ahead and get this front knocked out, and hopefully it'll only take us about an hour to get this done, and we're gonna run down this side. We're gonna do the front first. So we got this front done. I did them bricks, make them look good. I did the sidewalk. I need to repaint this thing. I did them bricks on the foundation, but them things ain't never been done. So that white look is from the old siding. But you can see the front, it came kind of red because they ain't had that siding of wash down on it. So look, we on to this side. I did this part already. I'm gonna ask my contractor to replace this piece. I don't know why it's pitting like this or what got on it, but that's rust. So I'm gonna ask him to replace that. I'm about to tackle this part here. No, not this back eye. This part shouldn't take long. The front took long because I had to do that sidewalk, And I ain't bring my concrete cleaner. So but we gotta go ahead and tackle this, knock this out right quick. Knock this side out, hopefully that's enough line to do the back. A little bit of the other side around there. We'll go from there. So we got this side all done. I knew it was dirty because I've been blowing all that dust and dirt with that blower, so I knew we were gonna have some dirt on it. We got this back done. I get them tear that side out right there. Gotta put a block of wood under there, tear that side out. But she all clean on the back. I'm trying to do as much as this as I can, and then I'm gonna have to unhook that water hose and bring it all around here and hook it up here and see if it'll make it. But I think I can get maybe about right here. So I'm about to do this part right quick, and then I ain't got no, but this didn't take long. So let me bring this I gotta fill this damn pressure washer up. So let's go ahead and move this water hose to the other side. I guess I'll drag all that around here together. But I'm kind of running out of daylight, so I need to speed it up. I'm hoping I should have enough. I hook this water hose up here at the front. It should be enough to reach back here to get this part. So we walk around here and grab this water hose and blower. Pressure washer. So. To get out of there. All right, I think she's ready. Let's go ahead and knock this thing out. once I get it rinsed all off. Let's see if we can get this stuff cleaned up right quick. We'll get totally dog. It's all lined up. Water hose on here. Yeah, satisfied. Got done. Set out. Get done for the day. We got gas can too. That's it. Yeah, let me pack this stuff up. Pack this stuff up. Get out of here. Lock this thing on it. But if you tuned in this part to the vlog, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. Till then, we got a clean house. We out.